In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook error 0x80040115. This error usually appears when Microsoft Outlook is unable to properly communicate with the mail server, often because of connectivity issues or temporary glitches within the application. In many cases, it can be resolved quickly without needing advanced technical steps. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook and start by checking your internet connection. A weak or unstable network is one of the most common causes of this error. Take a moment to confirm that your device is properly connected to the internet by testing other websites or online applications. If you notice that pages are loading slowly or not responding at all, restart your Wi-Fi router or switch to a more stable connection. Once your internet connection becomes stable again, reopen Microsoft Outlook and check whether the error still appears. In many situations, simply restoring a reliable connection is enough to resolve the issue immediately. If the error continues after verifying your network, the next step is to repair or reset Microsoft Outlook using Windows settings. Begin by closing Outlook completely to ensure it is not running in the background. Then, go to the Windows search bar and type Outlook. From the search results, right-click the Outlook application and open its app settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the options labeled Repair and Reset. Start by selecting the Repair option first. This process allows Windows to fix any corrupted or missing files related to Outlook while keeping your data intact. Wait for the repair process to finish, then try opening Outlook again to see if the issue has been resolved. If the error still persists, return to the same settings page and proceed with the Reset option. Resetting will restore Outlook to its default state, which can help clear deeper configuration issues that may be causing the error. Once the reset is complete, reopen Outlook and check if the problem has been fixed. In most cases, either stabilizing your internet connection or repairing and resetting the application will successfully resolve error 0x80040115 and restore normal email functionality. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.